All right, good afternoon, everybody. It's Breakout Bag Lunch, and today is January 7th, 2026. I had some mixed results today in terms of trading. I'm just going to go over the trades that I took quickly and do a little review from there. Today's not going to be a long video. Today's video, it's not going to be long. All right. I'm just going to show trades, and then same thing here. As usual, we traded on ES and gold. All right, so as you can see, we didn't have the best trades on gold this morning. We got chopped up here in this range, and just in terms of orb, we had basically a break and retest. Oh, I should just say a break. So we had the break of the 5-minute opening range, and then we had a retest up to this retracement area, this golden pocket. And this was totally my fault, but I really should have been buying at this area here, like up here instead of down here. So it's kind of my fault that I got stopped out at that point. I mean, it would have been stopped out anyway, but the loss wouldn't have been as big. That was just, again, me not being as disciplined as I should have. And then I decided to buy at the same time here. Well, I covered the short and bought here because it looked like we were going up. And well, yeah, this wasn't the best trade either. Sold that one at a loss. I don't know what I was thinking there, just based on the structure of this 1-minute chart. Yeah, this would have been a good area to sell, and over here, even though this trade wasn't successful, so I would have had a losing trade here, then a winning trade here, and then yeah, I think the issue here was just not being focused enough. And in terms of ES, fortunately, I did have the focus I needed at this point. Here we had basically a bounce from this area that was previously acting as resistance. If you go to the 1-hour time frame, this level was created yesterday, and once we had a break of this level, I decided to go long. This was a trade that I just put on and left, so it was more like a set and forget trade, and I came back and it worked out as expected. My target was basically the high of the day at that time, which was at this 6998-ish level. And so this trade was pretty good. I think, well, just if I just delete this, let's see. He's had a bounce, then a move down. Yeah, I guess there wasn't really like a lot of a strong momentum in one direction or the other during the beginning of the session. If we draw the fib retracement from this low to this high, I guess, yeah, at this point we had a 50% retracement, so probably could have entered around here just for a better entry, but trade worked out as expected, fortunately. And just in terms of improvement, I've really just been more focusing on studying rather than the paper trading lately, because I'm trying to incorporate and learn more about market structure and incorporating that into my strategy, because I think that will lead to some higher quality and higher probability trades. So I'm just going to keep doing that, and I'm going to do some more practice with a simulator this weekend, and I think I'll be back to trading Topstep next week. We'll see how things go. And if you have any comments or suggestions, let me know. Otherwise, have a wonderful day. Bye.